Basically, for this look, I opted out for a lace dress and a jacket. Para medyo conservative. This is like the new Maria Clara for Maria Clara.
Saan ba kayong bench?
Lace, dress, saka blazer. Ako panindigan mo sa summer girl, ah.
Well, one good thing about the jacket, since we are a tropical country, it's actually, what do you call it, kachak. So, medyo breathable.
Parang ganun ka.
Okay, for model number 2, para sa mga intimidating in a cool way na parents.
Boy naman, oo.
There you go. So for this look, actually, I opted out for a darker shade. Kung yung parent is medyo fashionable, and you wouldn't want na parang, ano naman yung parang kinakalaban mo sa outfit sa parents. So this look naman, we have accessories to para pakita mo na medyo fun, and we're opting it on a blazer which is very in ngayon.
Yes, that's right.
Exactly. Yeah, so rather than wearing jeans, mas gusto ko sana flat. So para pag nakita ka ni parents, uy, medyo formal na formal.
Yes,
Parang
oo.
Boy, parang ako dati kasi kung nilagay ko, ganyan suot ko.
Oh,
Kaso hindi, isang nakalagay eh.
ikaw na nakalagay.
Okay.
Nako, eto naman.
Model number 3?